Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Dear student, you are very well familiar with the nomenclature of the alkane, that is single bond compound. Today we will start the nomenclature of alkene. You know that is alkene basically they contain the double bond. So how to write the name? There are certain rules. First one, select the chain which contain the double bond. Second one, numbering should be started from that side to which the double bond attain the minimum position. Then write the name of alkyl radical. This is same rule as alkane with their position and then parent name. When two identical radicals are attached, use die before alkyl radical name with their positions. Write the name of alkyl radical in alphabetical order, that is ethyl first and then methyl. Separate the position of alkyl radical by comma and hyphen is used to attach the position with radical name. Write the position of the double bond with parent name. If two double bonds are present, use die before ENE with their position. Try for three double bonds before ENE. For example, if we have the CH2 double bond CH, this is the CH3 and this is the CH3 and this is the hydrogen. Now according to the rule, first one select the longest chain. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. So everyone that is the 4. So in this case, this is the longest chain. Now this is 1 and 2, that is methyl at the second. We will prefer the double bond. So it is at the first position. So you should write that is 1, 2, 3 and this is the 4. Now what is the position of this methyl? Actually this is the methyl radical. So position of the methyl is 3. So you should write that is the 3 methyl. Position of the double bond is 1. So this is the 1. Parent name is bute. So you should write bute ENE. You know, bute for 4, ENE represent the double bond. So in this case, 1 represents the position of the double bond. Bute means 4 carbon. ENE is the double bond. This is the iopic name of the alkene. Similarly, CH3, C, double bond, CH2, CH3, this is the CH3, CH2, CH2, and this is the CH3. Now in this case, what is the name of this compound? First of all, count the number of carbon. That is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So this is the longest chain. Longest chain is the 7 carbon. So this is the parent chain. Now we will prefer the double bond. 1, 2, 3, 4. That is double bond come at the 4th position from right side. From left. 1, 2, 3. This is third position of the double bond. So it is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and this is the 7. Now what is this? This is the methyl. Again it is the methyl. So these are the 2 methyl groups. So first of all, according to the rules, write the name of the alkyl radical. That is, it is at the 3 position, first one, comma, this is the 4th position. So we have the 2 methyl group. So 3, 4, dimethyl. This is the 3, 4 dimethyl, that is the position of the methyl radical. What is the position of the alkene double bond? 1, 2, 3. So it is separated by hyphen, that is 3. The 7 carbon means that is the hep. So this is the hep, TENE. This ene represents the double bond. So 3, 4 dimethyl, 3 heptene. This is the IUPAC name of this compound. Now another example, CH3 double bond CH2. This is the CH3. CH3. This is the C. This is the CH3. CH2. CH3. This is the CH3. This is the H. This is the another compound. First of all, we must count the number of carbon atoms, that is longest. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So 7 is the longest chain. So mark this one. So you can see in this case, this is the ethyl group and this is the methyl. Again it is the methyl. So we have the 2 methyl. So numbering 1, 2, 3 and 4. 1, 2, 3. The 3 come lowest position and from right side we will get the 4th position. So we must start the numbering from the left side. That is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. This is the 7. And according to the rule, you know, that is ethyl alphabetically come first and then methyl. So we can say that the position of this ethyl is, that is 3 ethyl, that is hyphen, and then the position of the alkyl radical, that is methyl, it is the 4th, and this one is the 6th, comma, and then we have the 2. So we must write di, that is the methyl, and then in this case the position of the double bond is 3. So you should write 3. 7 means that is the heptene. So 3 ethyl, 4, 6, dimethyl, 3 heptene is the IUPAC name of this alkene. Next example. For example, in this case, CH2 double bond. This is the CH3. So in this case, for example, we have the C, H2, C. This is the double bond. So we have the CH. This is the CH3. So again in this case, this is the CH3. Now count according to the rule, count the number of carbon atom to select the chain. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. The 7 is the longest chain, but if we consider this 7, the double bond will come out from this chain, which is wrong. According to the rule, select the chain which contains the double bond. So it is not essential that it should be the longest chain. So for this purpose, this is the chain which contain all the double bonds, that is inside the parent chain. Now the numbering 1, 2, double bond come on the second position, but from here 1. So numbering should be started from left side. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and the 6. You know, this is the ethyl and this is the methyl group. So ethyl and methyl. So according to the rule, alphabetically, ethyl comes first. So in this case, the position of ethyl is 2 ethyl. The position of the methyl is 4 methyl. And then we must write the position of this, that is these 2 double bonds. It is the 1 and then the 4th, comma 4. 6 means that is the hex. We must write hexa. Since we have the 2, so you should write the di according to rule number 8. hexa, diene. This die represents the 2. So we have the 2 double bond. 1 and 4 represent the position of the double bond. This is the ionic name of this compound. Similarly, we can say, if we have a compound, for example, CH3, C, double bond, this is the CH2, CH3, this is the CH2, CH3, CH, double bond, C, CH3, this is the CH2, and then this is the CH2. Now we want to select the longest chain first of all. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. This chain contains all the double bonds. So this is the required chain. So in this case, this is the methyl outside the chain. This is again methyl, and this is the ethyl. So according to the rule, alphabetically ethyl should come first. So before this we must write the numbering. 1, 2, 3. Double bond come on the third position. From here it come at the first position. So we must start from the right side. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and this is the 8. Now according to the rule, ethyl come on the fifth position. So this is the 5 ethyl, and the methyl on the third and the sixth. So hyphen 3, 6. Dimethyl. Now the position of the double bond, 1, 3, and the 5. 1, 3, 5. One position of the double bond, third position of the double bond, fifth position of the double bond. Since we have the 3, that is a double bond, the total number is 8. So this is called the octa. Octa means that is the 8. Since we have 3, so triene. This is the ionic name of the compound. So we can say that this is the basic requirement of the compound, that is how to write the name of the double bond.